Exposing the fraud in U.S. courts, Part 1.
Beating civil traffic tickets. Part 1. All traffic tickets are invalid. This information and video is about beating civil traffic tickets, dealing specifically with the issue of standing to complain. If a plaintiff lacks standing, then courts are, legally, unable to proceed. Bureaucrats hate when this issue is raised because it destroys any pretense of fairness they are so desperate to maintain. Without standing, there is no actual or justifiable controversy, and courts will not entertain such cases. If a party is found to lack standing, the court is without subject matter jurisdiction to determine the cause. A court lacks discretion to consider the merits of a case over which it is without jurisdiction. A complaint ticket is not synonymous with a cause of action. Governments are established to protect and maintain individual rights. Stop laughing. Courts are part of the government. The jurisdiction of the court is limited to this, therefore for there to be a case or controversy, the courts have consistently held there has to be a violation of someone's rights and damage. A plaintiff must allege personal injury. Allen v. Wright, 468 U.S. 737,751, U.S. Supreme Court. Police officer must file a valid cause of action, otherwise there is no standing and the court has no subject matter jurisdiction, and therefore cannot proceed against you. Standing is a necessary component of subject matter jurisdiction. Raines v. Byrd, 521 U.S. 811. You must have subject matter jurisdiction even in a traffic case. Standing is perhaps the most important of the jurisdictional doctrines. Standing represents a jurisdictional requirement which remains open to review at all stages of the litigation. Now, Inc. v. Scheidler, 510 U.S. 249. The requirement of standing has a core component derived directly from the Constitution. A plaintiff must allege personal injury, the violation of a legal right, fairly traceable to the defendant's allegedly unlawful conduct and likely to be redressed by the requested relief. Allen v. Wright, 468 U.S. 737, 751, 1984.
It's off for Part 2, it's right behind it. Thanks.